this is my first time actually going go-karting, so this is not going to go very well. So sorry about what my driving is going to happen in this video. We're in Stoke, team sport. So let's see how this goes. Not very well. Should bring my own gloves as well, but I forgot. Alright guys, this is my first time, so yeah, bear with me. I could definitely get into this. Oh, nice little drift. Oh, this is actually fun. I got to learn the track though. I'm definitely going too wide. I think that's my missus. Who's blocking me and the leader? See me in this car, I'm gonna go through it. She's gonna go wide, I'm gonna come in. Oh, I'm losing now. Ooh. Come on. She's gonna go wide again around here. I know she is. I can get around, get around, get around. My missus actually crashed. She needs to go a little bit wider. I think that is orange, isn't it? We're back to greens. Let's go. Yeah, I'm losing massive amounts of speed coming around that corner and drifting. I have to definitely cool down. This is where we get a bit more traction, I think. Like upstairs is just wood, so it's not as grippy as down here. I could definitely see myself getting into go-karting, no Jesus. Letting go. So he is actually pulling away from it at the moment. Does he have a faster kart? That's what it is, isn't it? I'm drifting too much. I need to slow down a bit. I'm drifting too much. So up here I'm catching him. And then he's like drifting around this corner. Ooh. I wonder if he's just drifting around the corners then by the looks of it. He's getting a lot more grip out of his wheels. Oh, this is actually pretty fun. I've definitely got to come again. 100%. Let's just try and go for the best lap that we can. It's focus time. No drifting, no understeer either. That wouldn't help. Tell you what, though, electric cars, they have some bloody torque, Jesus. Oh, there's number 11. I don't think he's done a lap. He hasn't overtaken me, so we've actually caught up with number 11. Number 15 is going for something. He's properly going for it. Let's see if we can get... My missus is in the orange, by the way. It's just she's definitely not a racing sort of person. But hey, it's all fun. Let's see if we can get around this corner, right behind number 29. This is where we can maybe try and overtake one or two of them. Come down the inside, come down the inside. Come on, babe, you need to go a bit faster. Come on, babe. That was fun. He was trying. Right, we're ready. And we've got the yellow. We've got pace. I can go full throttle. And then once it kicks off, I'm ready to go straight away. So we need to get past all of these lot now. Oh, it was a bit too close, but then again, he should have made it around the corner. Really, let's be fair. This is bad. She's still having fun. We got that corner down. Oh, I'm messing up madly. lights. Nope. Okay, we're good. I thought there was a red light. Oh, is that the end? I think we've got another green light in a minute. And that guy right behind me is going to take it. We're catching up to the E's. Oh, it just been misses. I guess you should move over. Whew. I'm aiming to get third at least again. I'll be happy with third. The wig was out to the side so easily, like drifting. I'm not going to blame him for that. Ooh, that was fun. Let's see what we got then, shall we? The drifting's so fun. Ooh, let's see what we got.